We're just going to review everything we've talked about. When we're solving equations, we want to simplify each side. We might have to use the distributive property. And then don't worry about all this stuff. Just worry about get the variables on one side and the numbers without variables on the other side. And then we're going to either multiply or divide to solve. Okay? All stuff we've already talked about, just trying to summarize it all for you at the end of the lesson. Now we're going to look at our last example. We want to find a value of x so the figures have the same area. This ties in a lot of different things that we've already talked about. Remember, the area of any rectangle is going to be length times width. So the area of this figure is going to be 10 times x, which is just 10x. And the area over here is going to be 6 times, and this side is x plus 3 centimeters long. And now, what's the value of x so these figures have the same area? I want the areas to be equal, so I'm just going to take these two pieces and I'm going to set them equal to each other. I'm going to take 10x and I'm going to set that equal to the other area, which is 6 times the quantity of x plus 3. And we've just accomplished the hardest part of this problem. The hardest part of any of these problems is setting them up. Once they're set up, solving equations is the easy part. I'm going to start by distributing on the right side. I get 10x equals 6x plus 18. And now I'm going to get my variable on the same side, so I'm going to subtract 6x from each side. 6x is canceled out on the right side. I get 4x equals 18. And now I'm going to divide each side by 4. And I get x equals 4.5. And I can always check my answer by plugging it back in. If x is 4.5, then 10 times 4.5 would give me 45 centimeters squared. And then if I plug in 4.5 here, this whole side would give me 7.5. And if I do 6 times 7.5, I would get 45 centimeters squared. So the hardest part in this problem is just setting up what the equation is, and hopefully, especially by the end of this lesson, anytime we see an equation, we are confident enough that we can just solve that. Solving equations will be the easy part, and we'll be doing it for the rest of the year. So hopefully, we are getting comfortable doing this. That's all there is for this lesson. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.